Investigators are still trying to figure out why a Johnson City man had 900 rounds of ammunition in his car, and they say maybe even more in his house.
We're in your corner this morning with an update on that investigation. Washington County deputies arrested Scott Edmonston on Monday after they pulled him over for speeding on Tuesday. The sheriff's office cleared a Johnson City neighborhood as they searched the suspect's home. Investigators said it appeared as though Edmonston tried to make it look as if his home was wired with explosives. Then, late last night, they announced no explosives were found in the home. Justin Soto spoke with neighbors who say they are shocked that someone on their street had that many weapons.
26 years.
That's how long Ken Levine has lived on Clearwood Drive.
We're a quiet neighborhood.
But Tuesday, this neighborhood was nothing but quiet.
I was in the backyard working. Then I came out to get the mail and I seen everybody down there. I said, what in the world?
All afternoon, local and federal investigators searched Scott Edmonston's house.
Got a lead that he may have some explosives in the house. So we got here about 15 minutes till 12.
And after a 7-hour search, investigators say they found 4 more guns, gun parts, and more ammo, but no explosives.
I wave to him and just say hi as we go up and down the street all the time. He's always in the yard working. You'd have never dreamed that he was like this.
8 houses were evacuated as a precaution, leaving neighbors unable to get home.
I'd like to use my own bathroom, can I? He said, just hurry up and just come right back out.
She says Edmonston is friendly.
We don't know them, but neighbors, you say, hey, you borrow a ladder. He would call or text my daughter and say, if anybody needs their car washed, bring them up here just to stay busy.
Sheriff Graybeal says they still don't know why he had that many weapons in his car and now in his house.
We don't know what he was intending, if he was intending anything, but, he didn't need what he had.
Neighbors now relieved the coast is clear.
Luckily, they did pick him up, but we're still going on with life.
Justin Soto, News Channel 11, in your corner.
Scott Edmonston is charged with felony evading and possession of prohibited weapons. The Washington County Sheriff's Office now has those 4 guns, gun parts, and ammo as they work to find out why Edmonston had all of those weapons. In this ongoing investigation, the Sheriff's Office tells us it is unclear whether he will face more charges after the search.